Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the molecular geometry of PBr3. It has a chemical formula of phosphorus tribromide. And to understand its molecular geometry, we are first going to look at its Lewis structure. This is the Lewis structure of PBr3 where phosphorus is forming 3 single bonds with 3 bromine atoms and has 1 lone pair of electron on it. We must always note down the number of lone pairs and bond pairs attached to the central atom in the Lewis structure as they affect the final geometry of the molecule. So if you look at the structure in 3D, we can see that the structure is trigonal pyramidal. Let us use AXN notation method to see if we are on the right track. So here, A stands for the central atom, X are the number of atoms that are forming bonds with central atom, and N is the number of lone pairs of electron present on central atom. Here we have phosphorus' central atom. There are 3 bromine atoms attached to it and has no lone pair of electron. And that gives us a general formula of AX3N. If we refer to this table, we can see that the molecules that have AX3N formula have trigonal pyramidal shape with bond angle of 109.5 degrees and hybridization as sp3. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.